Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can join your Zoom meeting. Watch the video till the end. To join your Zoom meeting, firstly open your Zoom application. Among the options listed, click on Join a Meeting. On the next page, enter your meeting ID. There are join options. If you don't want to connect to your audio and video, swipe the button to the left or else turn it on. Enter your meeting passcode and click on OK. This is how you can join your Zoom meeting quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.